Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to unboxing number 84. I've got actually two unboxings today, but I'll make you wonder which one I'm going to open, because one of these will be in 85. So I'm going to make separate videos now for my unboxings. I'm just going to do this one first because I really want to know what it is, because this is a weird, odd-shaped package. Pretty sure I already know what it is, but I can't wait. Yep. These are from, I believe, 89. These are the WCW Galoob action figures. They are definitely more well played with than I thought. Here is Scott Steiner. Okay, 1990, my mistake. Lex Luger. Look at those butt cheeks. Flying Brian Pillman. Flying Brian. R.I.P. my friend. Arn Anderson, AA. Awesome. I'm having a bad recall on there. There you go. That's that guy. The Nature Boy, Ric Flair. Yeah, that guy. Is that Tom Zink? I don't know. Psycho Sid Vicious. The man they call Sting. And Rick Steiner, the dog-faced gremlin. There's one more in here. It's not one of the Galoobs. This is a Ric Flair figure I'm not that familiar with. Looks like a generic rip-off Ric Flair, but, you know, still, maybe this is the eye of the ocean, or whatever they call it in Titanic. Maybe this is worth millions of dollars. Or maybe it's from the Dollar General. I have no clue. But if you know anything about these figures and you're like, holy crap, I need that figure, here's $20. Hey, shoot me a message. So, once again, generic Ric Flair ripoff. Rick Steiner, the man they call Sting, with a rat tail. Psycho Sid Vicious. That guy, Tom Zink. Ric Flair, woo! This might actually be Stone Cold Steve Austin. I could be wrong. I don't know. Arn Anderson. Flying Brian Pillman. Or this could be Tom Zink. I don't know. I think it's Flying Brian. Lex Luger. Scott Steiner. Alright. Alright, gentlemen and ladies. I don't know why I just said gentlemen. Alright, you have a great day. Thanks for watching. And my Unboxing 85 is coming up. So stay tuned and have a good day.